If you're looking to reduce your cholesterol quickly, making the right dietary and lifestyle choices can have an immediate impact. By focusing on heart-healthy foods and daily habits, you can lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Here are 6 detailed steps you can take to start improving your heart health right away. 1. Eat more oats and high-fiber foods. Oats are one of the best foods for lowering cholesterol because they are rich in soluble fiber. This type of fiber binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and helps remove it before it enters your bloodstream. Just 1 bowl of oatmeal in the morning can start making a difference. Other high-fiber foods, such as barley, whole grains, and legumes, also work to reduce cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily from a mix of soluble fiber, found in oats, beans, and fruits, and insoluble fiber, found in whole grains and vegetables, for the best results. 2. Eat fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower triglycerides and reduce LDL cholesterol. Omega-3s also help prevent inflammation in the blood vessels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Eating at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week can significantly improve your cholesterol profile. If you're not a fan of fish, consider taking a high-quality fish oil supplement to get similar benefits. 3. Increase your intake of nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios contain healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol. They also provide plant sterols, which prevent cholesterol absorption in the gut. A small handful of nuts, about 1 ounce, a quarter cup, per day is enough to make a difference. Seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds are also excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making them a great addition to your diet. Just sprinkle them on yogurt, smoothies, or salads for an extra cholesterol-lowering boost. 4. Use olive oil and avocados instead of unhealthy fats. Switching from unhealthy fats like butter, margarine, and vegetable oils to heart-healthy fats can drastically improve cholesterol levels. Olive oil and avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower LDL cholesterol while keeping HDL cholesterol intact. Cooking with extra virgin olive oil, drizzling it on salads, or using mashed avocado as a spread instead of butter are simple ways to incorporate these healthy fats into your daily routine. 5. Load up on fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain powerful antioxidants, fiber, and plant sterols that naturally lower cholesterol. Foods like apples, oranges, pears, and berries are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol and removes it from your body. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli contain compounds that block cholesterol absorption in the intestines. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables daily not only helps reduce cholesterol but also supports overall heart health. 6. Exercise regularly and stay active. Physical activity is one of the fastest ways to boost HDL, good cholesterol, while lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming, at least 5 days a week. Strength training also plays a role in improving cholesterol levels by helping the body metabolize fat more efficiently. Simple lifestyle changes, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking instead of driving for short distances, or incorporating stretching and movement breaks throughout the day, can contribute to better cholesterol control. Lowering your cholesterol levels doesn't require drastic changes, but it does require consistency. By eating more fiber-rich foods, incorporating heart-healthy fats, staying active, and making small swaps in your daily habits, you can see improvements in your cholesterol levels within weeks. If you have high cholesterol, these strategies can complement any medical treatments your doctor recommends for optimal heart health.